Hey guys, MSC Tech here, and I'm back again with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 10 to 10.3.3 devices, the helix method. The first thing you want to figure out is what kind of iOS device you have, whether your device is 32 or 64 bits. Depending on which one you have, you're gonna have to follow a different section of this tutorial. The first thing you want to do is Google H3lix, search, and make sure you download it. I'm gonna cancel mine because I already have the program on my PC, as you can see. Make sure you also install and download iTunes if you don't have any. Links are gonna be in the description. You can also download iTunes by going to the H3lix program. I actually recommend this method better, just for compatibilities. Once you're done with that, make sure you connect your device, and once your device is recognized, it'll look something like this. Always make sure to make a backup of your device, just in case something goes wrong. You can never be too safe. After that's done, make sure you navigate to the jailbreak and flash tab and run the jailbreak. Now, depending on what happens next, you're gonna have to follow one of the options you have on the screen right now. So we're gonna continue. If you have 64 bits, you should see success, and if you have 32 bits, you should see something similar to what I have on my screen right now. So we're gonna have to invoke a different method to get the jailbreak in our iPad. So the first thing you want to do is open up Safari. Search up the website you see on your screen. Once it opens, make sure you search up Helix. Press get. Yeah, my iPad is a little slow, so don't mind it. Press get again. After that, make sure you install, and the app should install on your home screen. Be a little patient. This process could take anywhere from 20 to 60 seconds. Now, if you attempt to launch the app, you should see this menu. To solve this, go to your settings, click on General, and scroll down. You should be able to see the configurator, and just make sure you press trust. And that should be it. It should solve it. Now if you press the app, it should launch. But before we keep going, there's many other stores we could try in case that one gets shut down. This is option 2. Again, we do something similar. Just follow what's on your screen. This process takes about 20 seconds. Once that's done, launch it. again, same deal, search it up and install. And this is going to be option 3 now. Now on this one, if you have a 64-bit device, you should click on the double helix, and if you have a 32-bit device, make sure you click on helix. Beside that, the rest of the procedure is the same. Now after you have picked one of the 3 options, I assume you have Helix, the app, installed successfully on your iPad. You need to place it actually on portrait mode. Because once you launch the app, you won't be able to read the text, at least for the people that have iPads. So now all you have to do is hit jailbreak and not press nothing else. Just be patient. This took about 40 seconds. Just let it run. Now you're gonna be able to put your code if you have a passcode, and voila. If you scroll to, if you see the Cydia app, that means the installation was a success. Now the helix method jailbreak is such an old jailbreak that you're gonna have to update your repo on your Cydia for it to be up to date. Simply select full upgrade and go. I chose partial just because I was making a tutorial and I don't have much. I have a lot of things I want to change on this, and it would take a long time. That's basically it, folks. I hope you enjoyed jailbreaking your device and have a lot of fun installing apps. Well, that does it for this tutorial. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to MS Itachi Tech for more videos. Thank you.